Is it spinach, spinach sauce, or something else? Inquiring minds want to know. And welcome back to Cliffy Land. This is week in country number 70 on our second attempt of cooking the food of every country in the world, and tonight we're up to the nation of Guinea-Bissau. Guinea-Bissau is a small nation located in West Africa. It is located on the Atlantic. It has Senegal to its north and last week's country of Guinea, or Guinea-Conakry, on its south and east. It's a former Portuguese colony, and it is largely a series of islands and inlets. As such, the food of Guinea-Bissau is focused a lot, at least along the shore, of fish and turtles, and one of the primary ingredients of the cuisine of Guinea-Bissau is rice, specifically along the shore, though inland you'll find dishes with rice and millet. Throughout you'll find dishes with cassava and plantains and beans, and tonight we're going to be doing two dishes from Guinea-Bissau. Those are Frango con Bagique, which is a chicken with spinach, more on that name later, and Yuca fries, which are sort of French fries only made with cassava or yuca. These are the same two dishes we did last time around, so let's take a look and see how things went then. Well, last time around, I really wasn't aware of how important rice is to the cuisine of Guinea-Bissau, so I wound up not using rice for the chicken, yet it was very tasty, and the yuca fries was actually the first time I've ever tried them. I really liked them, and I found them now to be quite a thing on restaurant menus throughout at least my world here in the US. Now we have to talk about the name of that dish. The dish is Frango con Bagique. The dish is chicken with spinach. Since I started this, I have now learned Portuguese, and frango is chicken, com means with, bagique is what? Because in Portuguese, spinach is espinach, and I can't find any reference to the word bagique anywhere on the internet in English or Portuguese other than in this specific recipe. In fact, in this specific recipe in Portuguese, where the spinach comes in, it says molho de bagique, which is sauce of bagique, parentheses, spinach. So I really don't know what that means. If anyone from Guinea-Bissau or Portuguese speaking can explain that to me, please let me know in the comments. I really am curious. But enough about all that. We need to see what goes into these two dishes. First, for our frango con bagique, or chicken with spinach, we'll need one small chicken, or about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken parts, the juice of 1 lemon, or 3 tablespoons, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 large garlic cloves chopped, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, half a cup of organic sustainable red palm oil, 1 bunch of spinach, leaves only, and on the side, 1 cup of white rice, 2 cups of water, and salt and pepper to taste. And for the yuca fries, we'll need about 1 or 2 cassava, vegetable oil for frying, and salt to taste. Oh, that sounds like it's gonna be so much more relaxing than the past few weeks that had like a million different things. So, it's time to cook. Go! First, cut up, rinse, and dry the chicken and remove the skin. Then, into a mortar, blender, or food processor, place lemon juice, chopped onion, garlic, bay leaf, red chili flakes, and red palm oil, and mix until blended. Set aside. Then season the chicken with salt and pepper. Cover the chicken with the marinade. Cover and let marinate for 30 minutes. Then place the chicken and the marinade into a large pot. Add 1 cup of water. Bring to a boil and reduce to simmer. Cover and let simmer for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the rice by your preferred method. For instance, adding the rice to a rice cooker with 2 cups of water, and letting cook for about 30 minutes or until the water is absorbed. When time is up, uncover the pot and add the spinach. Cover and let simmer for another 10 minutes. Uncover and stir. Peel the cassava. Cut off the ends. Cut out or around the woody core. Dispose of the core and cut the cassava into steak fry wedges. Place the cassava wedges in a large pot of water. Bring to a boil, reduce the heat, and let simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, bring the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit in a pan or deep fryer. Drain the cassava. Dry the cassava with paper towels, and fry the cassava in batches until golden brown, about 2 minutes. Drain on a paper towel-lined plate. Make and plate the mounds of rice. Ladle servings of the chicken alongside. Plate the fries, and serve hot. how that all went. Well, first off, the Yuca fries. They were delicious, they were wonderful, they were crispy, they were cooked just right. At first we thought they really would need some kind of sauce on top, and they really would be better with them. But simply with salt, they were really delicious. I'm gonna give the Yuca fries 4 out of 5 globes. I'd give it a 5 if I had had more experience to really perfect it, but they really were good. Then for the chicken with spinach, or Frango con Bagique. It was really yummy. The chicken was nice and tender. It had a lot of nice flavors from that marinade, and it was very, very spicy. Something from West Africa is pretty much gonna have to be spicy. I didn't start out biologically liking spicy food, but now I really do, so we're really happy for that. I don't think the spice really overpowered the rest of the dish, but your results may vary. I really liked it though. I'm gonna give the Frango con Bagique 4 out of 5 globes. It was really nice. I really liked it, and it was wonderfully simple to make. So that does it for Guinea-Bissau, and this is actually our last stop in Africa for several weeks, so that red palm oil is gonna have to last a little bit longer. So tune in next week when we head back to South America for another Guinea, or former Guinea, actually, the country of Guyana. It's gonna be great. See you then! And remember, if you'd like to see our streams live when they happen every Tuesday night, be sure to follow us on Periscope or Facebook Live. Like and subscribe if you'd like to be advised when these videos are posted. If you have any thoughtful feelings or helpful suggestions about the food I'm cooking, please feel free to sound off in the comments. Remember, links to the original recipes can be found in the About section. And if you like what you see, share it. It would be nice. Till next time, thanks for watching and happy eating!